In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a tag on GitHub. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Tags are an essential part of project management on GitHub, especially when you want to mark a specific point in your repository's history as significant, like a release version. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to log into your GitHub account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner, you'll see your profile icon. Click on it to drop down a menu, then select your repositories. This will bring you to a page that lists all the repositories you've created or contributed to. Find the specific repository you want to tag and click on its name to enter the repository's main page. Now that you're on your repository, look around for the Tags button. It's usually located right next to the branch drop-down menu. Click on that Tags button to access your tagging options. This area is where you can manage all the tags associated with your project. Next, we're going to initiate a new release. Look for the button that says Create a New Release and give it a click. This will take you to a new form where you can customize your tag. Here's where it gets a bit more personalized. In the form, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Choose a Tag. Click on that, then type in your desired tag name. A common convention for tags is to use a versioning format, like v1.0, depending on what your release signifies. After typing in your tag name, go ahead and click the button that says Create New Tag. This will create the tag alongside your specified version. Now that we've created the tag, it's time to add some details about this release. You'll see a section labeled Release Title. This is where you can put a brief title for your release. Think of it as a headline that captures the essence of the changes or updates you're tagging. In the section that says Describe this release, you can provide a more detailed description. This is where you should include your release notes, what's new, what's been fixed, or anything else users or collaborators need to know about this particular version. Make sure to provide thorough information, as this will help anyone looking at your project understand the recent changes. Once you've filled in the necessary information, including the release title and description, the last step is to review everything you've entered. Double-check your tag name, the title, and the release notes to ensure that everything looks good. If all is well and you're ready to finalize this process, simply click on the button that says Publish Release. When you click that, your tag will be created, and it will now officially be a part of your repository's history. And that's it. You've successfully created a tag on GitHub. This simple yet powerful feature will help you manage and communicate changes in your projects more effectively. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.